If you want to know how to add a border in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simple steps to add a border to shapes, images, or text blocks so your diagrams look cleaner, more organized, and more professional. This is a really useful formatting skill in Lucidchart, especially if you want to highlight important elements or make certain parts of your design stand out. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please go ahead and hit the like button. And subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel grow and it lets you know when new guides go live. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Lucidchart document and select the element you want to add a border to. This could be a shape, an image, or even a text block, depending on what you're working on. Once you click the item, you should see a blue bounding box appear around it with small handles. That means the element is selected and ready to edit. Now look at the formatting bar at the top of the screen. You'll want to find the line color option. This usually looks like a small pencil icon or a colored square, and it controls the color of your border. Click it to open the color options, then choose a color swatch that fits your design. If you want more control, you can also enter a hex code for an exact brand color or custom shade. After choosing the border color, the next step is adjusting the thickness. Find the line width menu in the top toolbar. This is usually shown with a line icon and pixel measurements. Click on it and you'll see different width options. If you want a subtle border, pick a thinner line. If you want the border to really stand out, choose a thicker one. This is a great way to make a title box or key shape pop on the page. Next, you can change the line style. Locate the line style drop-down menu in the same formatting area. From here, you can switch between solid, dashed, or dotted lines. A solid border is great for a clean and classic look. Dashed and dotted borders are useful when you want to create separation without making the design feel too heavy. As you make these changes, you'll notice the border updates right away, so you can visually check whether it looks the way you want. If it doesn't, just keep adjusting the color, width, or style until it matches your layout. The great part about Lucidchart is that these changes are fast and easy to apply, so you can refine your diagram without slowing down your workflow. If you're adding borders to multiple elements, repeat the same process for each one. Select the next shape or image, choose the line color, adjust the width, and pick the style you want. Doing this consistently can help your diagram look more polished and easier to understand, and that's really all there is to it. Adding a border in Lucidchart is quick once you know where the formatting tools are, and it can make a big difference in how your diagram looks. Whether you're building a flowchart, a mock-up, or a presentation graphic, borders are a simple way to improve clarity and visual structure. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Lucidchart tips and other software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.